Hi, writers. Today we're going to work in our grateful journals again. So I want you to go and make sure you get a sharpened pencil or a pen if you want to write with a pen today. And you need to go and find whatever journal it is that you've started your grateful writing in. Pause the video, go get it, and bring it back to your wonderful writing area. All right, welcome back. Glad you're here to write with me. So our last lesson, we talked about gratefulness for the things around us. And some of you chose to write about your home or your family and things that you're grateful for around you. Today, we're going to talk about what makes us grateful about who we are. What are you grateful for about you? You have to think about that. If you're having a hard time thinking about it, then this is the perfect writing lesson for you because you have to think about things that make you happy about who you are. It could be something very simple, like you're very strong, and that makes you grateful that you are you, that you're strong. Maybe you're stronger than your sisters and brothers, or you just feel like you have a lot of muscle in you. That's great. It may be that you're grateful that you have a great singing voice and you like to sing out loud in your house and outside. That's something you could be grateful for. It could be you're very grateful for being creative. You might love to draw pictures or paint or build cool things with Play-Doh. That could be something you're grateful for. So take a few seconds and think about, what is it you're grateful for? Remember, it's important to think about what makes you you and what you're proud of that makes you happy, okay? So one thing you need to do as a writer is always plan, what am I going to write about? And sometimes you get a little stuck and think, oh, I'm not really sure. Well, that's a great time to make a list. So in my journal today, I'm going to make a list about things that maybe I'm grateful for about me that makes me happy. So one of the things I am very grateful for, or that makes me happy about who I am, is exercise. Exercise makes me feel good. And so I'm going to put a little bullet point here or a dot, and I'm just going to write the word exercise so that when I start writing in my journal, that may be one of the topics I want to write about today. Exercise. That's one of the things I might want to write about today. So another thing that I think I'm grateful for or that makes me happy about me is that I have something called perseverance. Have you ever heard that word? All it means is that I work really hard at things and I don't give up, even if what I'm trying to do gets very difficult or hard. I see it through to the end. I don't give up. That's just something that I have about me that makes me grateful. That way I can get things done. So I'm just going to write, don't give up. Okay, so I want you to pause the video and I want you to write 2 or even 3 things, if you can think of 3 things that you're grateful for about you that makes you feel happy about who you are. Go ahead, pause it. Welcome back. So I want you to look at the 2 or 3 bullets that you might have wrote or your list on your page, and I want you to read them back to yourself. Just kind of put your finger under the word and slide it across. Exercise is my word. Don't give up is my next 3 words that I put on bullets to help me plan what I'm going to write. So I'm going to choose don't give up or perseverance as my topic that I'm grateful for today. So as I start my sentence, I'm going to remember capital letter, right? We always start with a capital letter. So I'm going to write here, I work hard and don't's a tricky word because we have a little hyphenated T there. Don't give up. And I'm going to put a period there. All right, pause the video. Choose one of your things you're grateful for about you and go ahead and write a sentence. Welcome back. How'd that sentence go? Now, when you're writing a sentence in your journal, don't worry if you get stuck on a word. Stretch it out, sound it out, write it down. If you have an adult that you have nearby to ask that you need help with, go ahead. But if not, just keep writing. Don't get stuck on it, okay? Now what I want you to do is read that sentence back to yourself to see, does it make sense? I'm going to do it real quickly with mine. I work hard and don't give up. Is my capital there? Yes. Is my punctuation here? Yes. And today I put a period there. You may need an exclamation point or you may need a question mark. But mine was a sentence that was very simple, so it has a period. There you go, writers. There's an entry in our gratitude journal. That's simple and fun.